If your OneDrive is running out of space and you want to upgrade your storage, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you need more room for photos, documents, videos, or backups, upgrading OneDrive storage can help you keep everything organized and accessible from anywhere. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. First, open a web browser on your computer or device. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, go to Microsoft OneDrive by typing onedrive.live.com and pressing enter. Once the OneDrive website loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that is connected to the storage you want to upgrade. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you have more than one Microsoft account. After you sign in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive dashboard. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your account and current storage status, you may see a button that says Get More Storage or Upgrade. Click that option to open the available storage plans. This is where Microsoft shows you the different OneDrive upgrade options that are currently available. On the plan page, take a moment to review everything carefully. You may see storage-only options or Microsoft 365 plans that include OneDrive storage along with apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. If you only need more storage, a basic plan may be enough. If you want extra features and premium apps too, a Microsoft 365 plan might be the better choice. Once you've selected the plan you want, continue through the checkout process. Microsoft will usually ask you to confirm your payment details, billing address, and subscription information. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and double-check everything before you complete the purchase. If you're using a card, make sure the billing information is accurate to avoid any payment issues. After payment is completed, your OneDrive storage will be upgraded automatically. In most cases, the change happens right away, and you should see your new storage limit reflected in your account shortly after. If it doesn't update instantly, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in again. That usually helps the new storage amount appear. Once your upgrade is active, you can go back to OneDrive and start uploading files with more confidence. This is a great way to avoid hitting storage limits and to keep your cloud files backed up safely. If you want to manage your subscription later, you can always return to your Microsoft account settings and adjust your plan from there. And that's it. You now know how to upgrade OneDrive storage in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.